Alright YouTube, I'm working on a SCAG V-Ride 2 36 inch and I think this is about my 4th season with it. I got about 750 hours on it. The hydro drive belt broke, and so my guys got it on the trailer and brought it home, and I let them wrestle with it for a little bit, and they couldn't quite figure it out. You know, we got the drawing or the diagram from the SCAG website. They couldn't really find any YouTube videos, so I'm going to make this YouTube video and just show you how I got the drive belt on. The other one broke, so I mean it was easy. It just came out of there. They were under the impression that they were going to have to take this the hydro pull, you know, the belt pulley, which also is what drives the spindles, right? So you got your deck belt and then the drive belt, which is actually up there a little bit closer to the engine. But they have some obstruction. They couldn't get the belt up there, so they thought they were going to have to take this thing down, which I guess maybe is what some other folks have done. But it's a Saturday. I let them wrestle with it as much as they could. They couldn't figure it out, and I need this thing back in working order for next week. So I thought I'd come out here and take a look at it. Well, I took a different approach than they did, and so I just wanted to share with you. I don't know what you can see, the sun is in my eyes, but so they had this belt, gosh, the electrical component that turns this thing on and off, starts it, stops it. So that was in the way. I unplugged it and pulled it out of the hole, so it's down now, out of the way. And then there is a drop pin, these two holes, 1, 2 right here. I'll show you from the other side. That was in the way too, because that's what's all right. Part 2, I guess. So here's this bracket. It goes in the top like that as a stop, and so that keeps this thing from rotating, holds it secure. So that came out in order for me to get the belt in, as well as the electrical component. So now I'm gonna reattach that bracket. I'm gonna run this cable back up through the top, and we should be good to go. So those were the 2 obstructions that allowed me to get the belt around the pulley, and then just put a breaker bar in the tensioner, and give yourself all the slack you need. Put the belt on, let the tensioner go, put your bracket back on, and plug your cable back in, and you're off and running again. Obviously re-secure your deck belt. So anyway, that's how I did it. Came